Alright, so I just wanted to give you guys a quick tutorial on how to start some of these gas trimmers because they can be pretty tricky. Of course, you want to put your gas in there, and some of these, like this Echo SRM 225, they have something called the cold start and the run. Okay, so the trick to these, so you don't pull your arm out, first thing you do is you put some gas in here, and they have this little button here that you press about 8 times to actually prime the motor. So you just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then here you're gonna have 2 options: cold start or run. So what I like to do is I go up to cold start, make sure that this is on, because there's an on and off button. You turn it on, you give it a couple of cranks, 1, 2, and then you put back on run, and then you turn it on. So you want to give it about 30 seconds so it can warm up, and then you can start it. You don't want to start it right away because it might turn off on you. Alright, so then you can pick it up, press this lever here, press this here, and you're good to go. Now, when you're ready to turn it off, you have an off button right here. You just turn it off, and you're good to go. Now, the thing that will make your engine run for longer and smoother with such an easy start is when you're done cutting the grass, you're gonna have some gas left over in here. It's always recommended that you actually open it up and you pour it back in, whatever gas you have left over. Pour it all back in there. And then what you're going to do is you're actually going to run it until it turns off by itself. Now the reason you do this is so that the gas that's within the motor doesn't stay in there and it starts messing up all your little gaskets and everything that are in there. So again, you turn it back on this way, and here you just turn it, give it a good crank, and you just wait for it to turn off. Once it turns off, you can start it. So once all of the gas has been taken out, now you can safely store it 2, 3, 4, 5, even up to a year, knowing that the gas is not settling into your actual system in here. Alright, so as long as you follow those couple of tips, you should be able to turn this thing on and off pretty easy. Once it's there, since it turned off by itself, you want to bring it back down to stop. And then whenever you want to turn it on again, just put more gas, do the steps I told you to do, and then pull the gas out and run it again so that the gas is removed. All right? Thank you.